Alright everybody, welcome back. We are getting this thing camera ready again, and we have a pile of lights to take care of. Darnell. Hey, Darnell. So through the NFI parts store, I was able to get a pile of these lights. So $16.91 is for the destination sign. I've already replaced them all, and I have a few that aren't working now. This box got wet, so we'll use my 624s for the markers up front. And I might need a bit of dielectric grease for this, so it's going to be a fun little TLC day again. I'm just all over the place. I've also considered taking off the 109 from Pegasus, but it is nice when I show people pictures of this thing in service. Not that having pedigree is anything in the vintage buses. It's not like this bus was a part of anything super historic or anything of the sort. But it is cool to be like, nope, this is the bus, here's the license plate, here's the unit number. Oh, that literally blew. Oh my. How the hell did that happen? Alright. We need pliers. That's my deluxe wheel for 58. Actually, Fury Jim, who owns this car, this is going to New Jersey, has the car that this wheel is probably going in. Oh, 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 beauty. I really, really, really don't want anything on the ground with that dog here. Ugh. Is this going to work for me now? Did it just blow? No. A lot of these terminals seem to be loose. And I want the MCI on top. So before you guys judge me for the amount of grease I'm putting in there, there's an awful lot of water in there. Not awful lot, but the gasket is dried. And I'm going to wait to put brand new housings on for when I paint the roof, which is not a this year project. But my plan is to drop a couple $100s on NOS housings with gaskets. So take off all of these, take off the vinyl, take off the original 1982 livery, which is, you can see the indentation just between the blue and the red. I want to spray the whole roof and just fix some of the aging. Then my next step after that would be to do the black, the door frame, the window frames, and then move to the body panel, which is navy blue and needs a bit of help. So I want to do it in 3 phases. I'm going to do a white, I'm going to do the black, and then that'll be a surprise, but I've made up my mind. Can't wait. So let's make some short work of this. I have a lot that I want to do to be ready to make more memories. That's LED. Dang it. Let's see if we have a 12 working 12 volt socket. Yes. Oh, frig yeah, that's awesome.